guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips to Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at what is a funded proposal for affiliate marketing. Have you ever got stuck in the beginning to say, do I have enough cash flow? How can I keep generating traffic? As an affiliate marketer, guys, our aim, our whole skill set is based on traffic generation. How do you drive traffic to an affiliate offer? How do you build your email list? How do you get an asset, which is basically eyeballs to your offer? And obviously those eyeballs are people, and you should always treat them as people. Remember, they're not numbers, they're people, right? But how do you actually get those and generate that interest or not worry about traffic? Traffic is the one skill set that is very important for an affiliate marketer. It is the lifeblood of any business. And for me personally, I think it's a science for you guys to learn. But one of the things that I struggled with in my journey with affiliate marketing online is that I really struggled in the beginning with cash flow, in the sense that I knew that I didn't want to only do free advertising. And when I say free advertising, I mean basically social media and other platforms that you can use. Like this video that you're watching actually at the moment is free advertising for me. But I don't want to focus on free advertising. I want free advertising to be an added bonus, an extra thing that I have running for me, and that's absolutely something that I enjoy having and doing. So for example, these videos, I love making them. I love sharing these strategies with you, these techniques with you on this channel. In fact, this channel is all about tips that actually can help you pave the way for your dreams to come true with affiliate marketing. So guys, if you're interested in this kind of video with this nice introduction that I just did, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification for future videos that I post. And obviously, if you do want to follow me in this journey, I have a couple of links in the description that I'm just going to share with you now, and then I'm not going to be talking about it much more in the future. But just to let you know that I have a link to my group in the description, and that link basically will take you to my group. You do need to answer the questions in order for you to get inside that group. And I'm very, very strict with the members that I do put in that group. So please answer the questions very truthfully, honestly. I might reach out to you if you don't, so that we can have a conversation before I let you in that group. So I keep a really tight-knit group of people because I want to help every single person that I can who's committed to their own success, which means they take action. So that group is going to be in the description. My number one affiliate marketing business is also going to be in the description. In case you are interested in that, all you need to do is enter your email address, and then I will send you actually a 20-minute free training, which will give you a guide in the idea of what exactly is affiliate marketing, what you can do with it, and where are we going in the steps, because this is the journey that I'm taking pretty much everybody on. And I wanted to share with you this struggle that I had, right? Which is with cash flow. How do I build a cash flow so that my paid advertising, because I focus on paid advertising, I still do focus on paid advertising, but I have a day job, I can put some money aside. Obviously, I have my 9 to 5, I can put some money aside for that paid traffic. But how do I actually have a flow where I don't have to think about the money coming in, and then I know that I have a certain amount of traffic that I can generate on a monthly basis, come what may, and then everything else is just profit that I put into my pocket. So I'm keeping the engine or the machine or the whole business cycle flowing and investing back into myself so that I don't have to think about it in the future, and I can live off the profits, right? That's the whole point. Make your business profitable so that you live off the profit. Now, that's exactly what I'm going to be teaching you in today's video. I cannot guarantee you any results that you will see. I cannot guarantee you that the strategy will work for you. There is a level of work that you need to put in. This is not for everybody, guys, and I have all my disclaimers in the description because we are teaching you real skills. So first and foremost, I want to share with you this strategy. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Perfect, guys. So here I am on my laptop, and this is the formula behind my entire business in affiliate marketing. So hope you guys like it. I wanted to share with you from top to bottom how it looks like on a wider angle, so that if you do decide to get started, you know how the process is. So the main, as I said, there are phases in affiliate marketing that we go through, and I personally teach these phases because I'm implementing them myself, by the way. Okay, this is not something that I haven't done. This is something that I'm actually currently doing to show you guys that this works. Okay, so the whole plan is basically focus on traffic. Number one idea is to focus on traffic. What is traffic? People that you can, let me just increase this, people that come to your website, people, eyeballs to your offer, eyeballs. That is what traffic is. So traffic can be free or paid. I focused on paid methods, but you can combine free and paid methods initially if you want. That's really up to you, organic or paid. organic or paid. I'm going to use these terminologies so that you understand it. Organic or paid methods to send them to a landing page. So personally, for example, I send them to this page right here. Okay, which you, by the way, can find in the description of this video. When you click on get started, you enter your email address and then you get taken to a thank you page. I'm going to share that thank you page with you, or just to give you guys an idea what it looks like right here. I have a 20-minute training, and then you can get the offer if you want. Okay, but the training is there, and this video is building a relationship with the people that I'm bringing. So again, going back to the formula, traffic going to a landing page, to going to a bridge page, which is what you saw, or a thank you page, which then goes to my offer, which obviously then gets me a sale. Okay, this is an extra box right here. The ends at offer because the process ends over there. And then if obviously somebody buys the offer, I get a commission. And that is what affiliate marketing is. I'm getting a commission, a percentage of that sale. Now I only sell offers, and I'm going to do this and say offers I own. Okay, I don't send people to offers I don't own. I send people to offers only that I own. Some things that I've used myself and implemented myself and generated results myself, and doing it in order for me to actually get results. So the authority, or let's say the credibility, is much higher for me. At the same time, I give a more authentic review on everything else. Okay, so this is the whole process. And when I get when the traffic comes to the landing page, if they go through this process, usually, and I'm going to write this right here, usually if they just follow this first line right here, around sometimes, okay, it's not always, but between 1 to 5% conversions, means conversions equals sales, can be possible. Okay, is possible with this just up over here. Having the email address, and I'm going to do this again, having the email address increase the possibility to 40 to 50% conversions. How amazing is that? Okay, so I'm going to do this. Let's zoom in a little bit more so that you guys can see. Email addresses and sending it back to the bridge page, and then they go through the offer, increases the conversion of that same amount of traffic, say those 100 people, to, instead of going from 1 sale maybe or 5 sales maximum, you're now getting maybe 30 or 40 sales. And that's the whole idea, to get optimized. This is optimizing. And I notice that I'm using the word possibility. Okay, it doesn't mean when you get started you're going to be making 40 to 50% conversions. No, it means that you can optimize your skill sets, get better at email marketing, and have it to that 40 to 50% conversion. It can get even higher, to be honest, but I'm being pessimistic here and saying 40 to 50% because that's still a good amount of sales that come in. So collecting the email address is a very important asset within affiliate marketing itself. This is the whole structure. Now, a lot of people talk about the structure, but I'm going to share something just before the structure, like something that is going to help you not worry about the first thing right here, which is traffic. Because once you get this whole, let's say, system set up, and by the way, I use a tool called system.io to create this entire whole sales process. And I mean, it's already created. You can actually copy the funnel that I have if you want to, save your time and effort. And that's going to be in the description of this video. So you can find it in the first link. Will take you to my offer. But the second link in the description will definitely be to system.io, so you can find that and you can get started for free if you want, or you can get the startup plan. It's really up to you where you are in your business. So a lot of people talk about this whole process, right? And I'm giving you guys facts and numbers. Now, my numbers are not yet 1% conversions, my 1 to 5% conversions on the front end, right? It's not also 50% yet. Why? Because what I did was I said, I'm going to start from scratch. And I want to show people how this converts and goes through the whole process. But this is what, let's say, the foundation that's there. Now, in order for me to actually build the foundation, what I did was this right here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more so that you understand. What is this whole process? Okay, what is this whole process? MLGS, what is MLGS? I'm going to share with you guys in a second. But basically, this is MLGS, or email leads. So the problem is traffic, right? I need to pay for that traffic. So how do I generate cash flow to pay for that traffic? What I do is I use a strategy, which is right, these 3 steps right here. You can see 2 steps actually. What I do is I pay, and this is definitely paid. Okay, this is not a free method. I'm going to share with you in a second. I pay for my Legion Secrets, which is which solves the problem of me looking for traffic, going and finding traffic, having a way to generate leads. I'm now basically getting a membership to a website that gives me 100 leads every single day. So let me just do this MLGS so you can actually see what it looks like. But basically MLGS, My Lead Gen Secrets gives me 100 leads every single day without a website, without paid traffic, and it'll cost me $1 a day. It's $30 a month for this service. And in the first month, when you first purchase it, it costs you $30 as well. So it costs a total of $60 on the first month and then $30 following that, right? But My Lead Gen Secrets, in short, just to explain it to you, and I have multiple videos about My Lead Gen Secrets. In fact, I'll leave a playlist in the description in case you want to check that out, okay? But My Lead Gen Secrets gives you 100 leads every day. Just take it as that. So a strategy is I get 100 leads every day. What is my work that I need to put in order for this funded proposal to work? I basically go to My Lead Gen Secrets. I get these 100 leads every single day, and I can send 100 emails. So basically, I can send emails every single day to these 100 leads that I get every single day. Understand the strategy. I'm sending out an email. So basically, or I'm going to type this here, send daily emails to 100 to 200 leads. Why 100 to 200? Because initially it's 100, and then initially it's 100 leads every day. And if you get a referral, somebody who also joined My Lead Gen Secrets, then you get 200 leads every day. So 100 to 200 leads every day. I'm sending an email out, and I'm practicing I'm solving two problems first and foremost, and I'm practicing one major skill here. Remember, this channel is about skills. I'm teaching you guys a method. And this is exactly the method that I follow, by the way. This is something that I do. I send out an email every day, which means, firstly, I don't have to look for 100 to 200 people to see my offer on a daily basis. I'm getting access. Yes, I'm paying $1 every day to get access to 100 to 200 people who can actually view my offer. And if I take these conversion stats of 1 to 5%, I need to basically make 1 to 5 sales every single time I'm sending out an email, or as often as possible, right? That's my conversion rate. I'm trying to get this conversion rate here in this whole process, right? 1 to 5%. So I'm sending out an email every single day to an offer. The moment I get a sale, so somebody buys the offer, then I get a sale, right? So I go from the offer, people go through the offer and they decide to buy. Great, I get a sale. Now I've made some money. Now I take that money and my focus is just keeping this running. Okay, so when I decided to start online again, I said, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make this process foolproof, because this process is right now currently, and results are not typical, guys. These are my results. These results are getting me around now. The first month, it got me $98.69, as you can see. Second month, it's already got me $160. The month is not over. I will still need I have a couple of weeks left for the month to get over. I think even from when I'm sharing with you the strategy, there are a few weeks left. So most probably it will be around 150, let's say 160 to $200 per month, right? So now I have $200 per month, which I didn't have before. And now I can use that $200 per month to buy traffic, because I focus on paid ads, right? I focus on paid ads because my affiliate marketing business is still this right here, guys. It's not this up here. What I'm showing you is a funded proposal. It's a way to generate cash flow. It's a way for me to generate cash flow to then buy traffic and then build my leads. Get people to this page right here. Build my leads, own my leads, email my leads. But now I'm starting with emailing these 100 leads, converting them, getting the cash flow, and then buying higher quality traffic. I'm always focused on higher quality traffic. And as that higher quality traffic increases, my sales increase, my conversions increase, my emails get better. I'm practicing email marketing here. I'm also sending emails here. I will be sending broadcast emails on a daily basis. So I'm reducing the time of the work that I'm putting. I'm automating my business. But the whole point is to start. Step one, this is step one, and then this is step two. In step two. In phase one, these are the two steps that you follow. Step one and step two. This is literally how I decided to start from scratch again and I put it into action. I started implementing it, and I started implementing this section in chunks, guys. We need to implement it in chunks. You take it step by step, right? If you don't have the funds, you have at least $60 to get started, and then $30 per month. $30 per month is amazing because you don't have to pay for the tools yet. Even when you have to get started with the tool, System.io is free to get started with, and then you can build up to 2,000 email addresses. So even if you start this, you can build up to 2,000 email addresses and you're not paying for a tool. So understand, you're generating cash flow, you're focusing that cash flow on the traffic, and that's building everything else. And this is the whole process that I'm going to be talking about week after week. Everything, every product that I share, I'm going to follow this process. Everything that I share on this channel, guys, this is the process. So if you're interested in my lead gen secrets, if you're interested in my affiliate marketing funnel and how I do things, then the links are in the description. I hope this was educational for you, because more than anything else, I wanted it to be educational. And if you're interested in working with me personally, you can get started with the link in the description. My Facebook group is there. Feel free to reach out to me at any point of time and comment below if you need some help. Guys, have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. Obviously, I'm going to say this once again. I cannot guarantee you these results, but the results are definitely possible. Do you want to start to generate a cash flow for yourself, which is in affiliate marketing, and generates? You're not dependent on anything else but your own skills. Guys, have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. Cheers. See you on the next one.